everyone, welcome back to Stitch Happen, and today I want to show you how to download embroidery designs. So first thing I'm going to do is type in free embroidery designs, and the reason why I want to do that is because I've been embroidering for a long time and have spent a lot of money on embroidery designs, so it's best that we start off with some free ones. That way that we can practice without spending a lot of money, okay? So first thing we're going to do is find a trusted embroidery site. I've used this one plenty of times. I know that most sites are going to want you to create an account, so I will have to log into my account here, which my stuff is saved. Once you have logged into your account, most of the places you can type in like what you're looking for, whether it's appliques or fonts or maybe a certain type of thing. Right now we're just going to click on free embroidery designs. This website in particular gives you 3 free per week if you've made no purchase. I've made no purchase this week, so let's scroll down and see what we can find for me. Now I don't want to download a bunch of designs that I will not use or that I'm not interested in using, because it does take a lot of space on your computer, and we just don't want to be cluttering our computer with a bunch of stuff that we'll never use. But this little snowman's cute, so I'm going to go ahead and click add to cart and to check out. Okay, now some websites in particular have instant download. This one does not, so we had to go through the little thing saying that we're paying even though it was free. We're going to go to download now, and my machine takes PES, so I'll select the PES version, which will put it right over here into our downloads. Now, one thing to note is that this only gave me one file, so it is not in a zipped folder or anything like that. But typically when you download designs, they come in a zipped folder, such as these right here, because there's a lot of different files in there, and that's the easiest way for them to send it to you. When they send you a zip folder, we're going to want to right click it and hit extract all before we put it where we want to use it. And once you have your download, it saved it in a weird name that I'll never know what it means. So I'm going to go ahead and rename Snowman with Top Hat. I want to be really specific, so once you get a lot of designs, it's going to be hard to kind of cipher through there and see which one that you're wanting. I have all my embroidery designs saved on my desktop on a folder. So what I'm going to do is drag and drop where I want that design to now go, so I can find it easier in the future. So let's come over here to that folder I was talking about. And in that folder, I have lots of subfolders. This allows me to find the designs that I have quicker and easier, because a computer typically without software will not let you view your embroidery designs. For example, I click on here, click on Snowman with a top hat, and my computer is confused because it is in an embroidery format which your computer doesn't read. To combat that, I have a software called Designer's Gallery, which allows you to actually view your designs and makes it a lot easier. Now, you do not have to have something like Designer's Gallery on your computer to be able to do embroidery. Instead, what you're going to do is just plug in your USB. I have named my USB EMB USB for embroidery USB. That way I don't get confused with all of these other different things to click on over here. So instead, I can just drag and drop it over to my USB, and now I can plug it into my machine and embroider it out. If you have any questions or any comments, or you want to tell me your favorite website to get embroidery designs from, leave it in the comment section. But as always, happy stitching.